Hello everybody, Jim Fleeler, Vice President of Sales for Charlotte Products. Thanks for joining our session here today. We'll probably be about a minute and a half. We're excited about introducing our brand new proprietary line of foaming hand soap and alcohol hand sanitizer, Enviro Solutions and Serve Clean branded. Price competitive with any Tier 1 manufacturer or brand in North America. Charlotte has invested millions of dollars in our production facility to guarantee ample supply. We know that's been a hurdle for the last couple of years. We're even blow molding our own plastic cartridges for our dispensers as well in-house. Coming soon, a USDA certified premium foaming hand soap at the same price as traditional products, which is an amazing feat that our innovation team was managed to achieve. We always follow the 3 pillars of sustainability when we're designing and innovating new products, that being the economic, environmental, and social model, which you'll find very advantageous in any facility across the globe. We've got a higher product yield that saves labor and freight costs by 25%. Again, a major hurdle these days. Absolutely no charge touchless dispensers complete with batteries. We've got all of the training material for sales representatives, for facilities, whatever it may be, and the product packages ready to ship out immediately. We've got optional drip trays for the alcohol hand sanitizer and floor stands for your lobbies and your reception areas as well. We can put together introductory webinars for you as soon as the next couple of weeks, as a matter of fact, depending on what your content you need in there. We're happy to do that. Your return on investment, really, you've got marketplace differentiation. You've got North American made product for North American companies. You've got great product performance, price, sustainability, an economic model, an environmental model, and social model all built in there for you, and all samples and selling tools and training are provided. Thanks for joining us today. Stay safe. We'll talk soon. Thank you.